My name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am homemaker as well. I am a YouTuber. I have completed MCOM. I don't have any work to do, so that's why I am here alone. I am at alone, only free. So that's it about me.
Oh, very nice. So, how did you learn English? First of all, tell me. You are living in village. Do you have time? Did you get time to focus on your study?
No, this times I am free because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that time I couldn't learn English for because of some reason. So this time I had a good opportunity to learn English because I had a mobile phone. So then I decided to learn English.
Okay. So, since when have you been like running your YouTube channel?
I think I have been running the channel for 1 years ago. I think.
Oh, wow, really great. Okay, send me your YouTube channel ID. Actually, I don't know. How many subscribers you have
Two
right now?
point K. Yeah, 2K, I think. 2K,
Oh, wow,
but
that's
my
really
view
great.
is not good.
So, your channel has monetized or not still?
Yeah, please, can you repeat?
Your channel has been monetized?
No, actually, my
Okay,
view is not good. Yeah.
okay. Yeah, because for monetization, you have to fulfill your two criteria. First,
Yes,
like
yes.
1K subscriber, and second, 4,000 watching time. So, how many watching time did you like complete it?
I 300.
300.
300.
Okay.
Yes.
So, did you upload every day one video? Do you upload?
Yeah, because before time that time I made the video daily. But for some days I didn't upload the video daily.
Yeah, because on YouTube, YouTube demands consistency. If you will upload daily one video, in that case, your video will going to viral. But yeah, just to continue, one day you will definitely get success in this like platform. So YouTube is a very good platform.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
but it's need consistency. I have seen lots of YouTuber. They are running more than 2 years, 3 years. After that, they get success. But it's
Yes.
not a easy journey. Yeah, it will take time.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am,
Okay,
please let me know about yourself.
okay. If I talk about myself, so as you know, my name is Pooja, and
Okay.
I am living in Delhi from my childhood. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done my MA with political
Okay.
science from IGNOU.
Okay.
IGNOU, and I
Okay.
have been working since 5 years.
Okay.
And now I want to learn this language. Now I want to learn this language because at my workplace, sometimes I have to face some problem when I have to talk with my boss. So I feel hesitate. So yeah, that's why I'm working on this language. But
Okay.
speaking like learning this language, it's my like dream from my school time. I also had this dream to speak in English. But yeah, now I work on this language.
Okay. Nice. That's. By the way, what do you do?
Actually, I work in e-commerce sector. Like my work is product listing on Amazon and Flipkart.
Okay. Nice. That's good. So I think you have a good opportunity to learn English.
No, no,
You
not
can
like that.
speak. Yes.
Not like that. Actually, here also, I had like before running my YouTube channel, I did not have any like a partner with whom I can do my practice. But since when I started my YouTube channel, I got lots of partners. Now I have
Yes.
like 10 to 15 women with whom I can do my practice anytime. So yeah, now I'm maintaining my consistency.
Okay, nice, nice. That's good. Actually, I don't have more much, environment, even partner. So I think I could difficulty some, I think of speaking English because that
Yeah.
times I learned myself. I asked every person, could you help me? But nobody helped me. So then I
Oh,
decided because I should watch the English video as well. I should learn. So that's why
but
I am
it's,
here. Yeah.
yeah, you are inspiration for all women who is a housewife. They just stop their duty just because of some, just because of
Yes.
their children and some house chores. But you are you are doing really great job. You are living in
Yes.
village and you
Yes.
have lots of household and you are learning this language even. It's really good. So
Yes.
okay, still like what do you do to practice to maintain your consistency to like for your practice? What you do? You have any speaking
Actually,
partner right now?
no, I don't have any partner, but I joined some application for improving
Okay,
English.
okay.
Yeah, because when I am free at my home, so that times I make any fake story and then I speak with myself, and I make the video in English because I suggest the idea how to learn English without partner and without environment. So
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
yeah, so that's how I started. Yes,
Yeah, it's a really good because finding a partner every time it's not easy. So we
yes,
know that how much practice is important in this journey, and just because of some partner we can't stop our journey. So there is
yes,
lots of way to do your practice by your own self. There is lots of way like storytelling and self talk, and if you will search on Google, so there will pop up lots of questions and lots of tricks how to do practice by your own self. Actually, I have also made so many video related to self practice. So right now I don't need any partner, but I consider this thing that nowadays I have lots of environment. But
yes.
if they will not ready to talk with me, so I can do my practice alone. I don't need anyone.
Okay, okay,
Because
okay.
yeah, as you told me right now that nowadays you are using some English speaking application. So have you ever tried to collect from there to collect any girls from this application, a fluency and
Yes.
hybro app?
I think this application is very good as well. I think your confidence will be increased. So
Yes,
that's
yes,
why I am here.
definitely.
Yeah. Yes.
So which type of application do you use, a fluency or hybro?
AC Fluently application and Hello application.
Okay, so
Hello
have you
application.
taken any subscription? Have you taken any subscription
No,
on a fluency application?
no, no,
Okay,
because that
okay.
application is free application.
Okay. Actually, I have one group. So if you want, so I will join you also in that group.
Okay.
If you want to
Okay.
do practice, okay, I
Okay.
will join. I will join you. Actually, I have two group. In which group I have already like joined so many females. So in that group, maybe 10 to 15 women is already present. So I will join you
Okay.
in my next group because
Okay.
if
Okay.
we will join lots of people, so we will not get much time to speak. So that's why now I need some like 4 to 5 member in my group. So yeah, I will join you
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am,
Yeah.
please let me know. I can speak English well. I learned
Mhm.
everything related to grammar, but when it comes to speak in English, so that times I stuck because of a lack of vocabulary. So please let me know how to improve our vocabulary.
Actually, it's not happened with you. It happened with me also. I am also learner and I am learning this language. I am not fluent. So according to me, what is the right way to get vocabulary by reading? Reading is the
Okay.
most appropriate manner to learn vocabulary. So, but reading is very boring part. I can consider this thing. Reading is a very boring part. But if you like what according to your interest, uh, if you're interested to read some story book, so you can read any story book. So by
Okay.
reading, you can start some vocabulary. Even nowadays, I also get this habit because I know there is lots of benefit of reading. So nowadays I also start. I took a challenge, 30 days challenge. Within a 30
Okay.
days, I have to finish one book. So when I realized this thing that reading is too important. Actually, I always skip this part. But one day, randomly, I just picked my book and I started to read. And within a
Okay.
one, like in one page, I got 15 to 20 vocabulary in one page only. So after that, I
Okay.
realized, oh my God, like within like only in one page I got 20 vocabulary. If I will finish this book, so suppose how many vocabulary I will get if I will finish this book. So since when I realized this is the right way to collect vocabulary, so I read every day, and every day I got 10 vocabulary in one page because the
Okay.
vocabulary is huge. We can't mug up all the vocabulary, but I pick up like whenever I got any vocabulary, if I see that yeah, this vocabulary is useful for me, so I pick only those vocabulary which is important for my like conversation. So according to me, reading is the best way.
Okay.
Reading is
No,
the best
actually,
way to collect
yeah, I
knowledge.
don't read any book because of I think boring thing
Yeah,
because
I
I'm
also.
not interested to read the book. So I
Okay,
feel
no
something
issue, no
like,
issue.
yeah,
Hmm.
please.
If you are not interested to read books, so what you do? You know, big YouTuber who is big YouTuber like Lina Race ma'am and some Shri Ramla, just start a comment like whatever they upload video. Lots of people put their comment. They put their thought. So there also I got lots of vocabulary. Like lots of
Okay,
people interested to read some other people comment. So just if you will watch any Alina Race video, so you will get lots of comment and just try to read that comment. And in that comment also you will get lots of vocabulary.
okay. I will check. I will check.
I started my reading habit this way. Yes. I started my reading habit this way because if you will read comments, so you will get idea how other people translate their sentence. Because every people have their own way to speak. So you just read. You just read all comment. You will get automatically idea which type of sentence they are using, which type of vocabulary they are using. So this is the right way. And after like after 1 week, when you realize that yeah now I'm addicted to read, then start some little some story books. You know,
Okay,
first I also did these things. You know, I always feel bored. One day, I subscribe some YouTuber and they suggest that reading is too important. Like without reading, you can't get fluency. So I went in shop and I purchased one novel. And after that, when I come back at home and I open that novel, I couldn't understand anything in that novel. Literally,
okay,
I was not able to
okay,
understand anything. Still that novel is pending in my almirah. Then I realized this is too difficult. I was not able to understand because the
okay.
sentence structure was too tough. Then I searched a lot and I got two very simple easy books. So yeah, I nowadays I am reading. So
Okay.
according to me, you should read simple books.
Yeah, initially days you should learn simple sentence, not advanced sentence and
Yes, yes.
structures, because this is our initially days. So I
Mhm.
think this times it is very problem. It would be very problem when
Yes, yes.
you watch advanced English structures, when you learn advanced English structures and vocabulary. According to me, you should learn simple sentence.
Yeah, and actually, according to me, your English is good. Your English is not too bad. As you think about yourself, your English is too good. You just need more and more practice. The more you will do practice, your vocabulary part will automatically build. If you will talk like about any topic daily, if you will talk daily different topic, so automatically your vocabulary will build. So just try to speak more and more people, and instead of talking random, choose some topic because random we can talk easily. In random
Yes.
talk, we don't need any some good vocabulary. We can talk right now as we are talking, so we don't need a vocabulary in this type of
Yes.
talk. But if you
Yes.
will talk about any topic, that time you need vocabulary. So try to talk
Yes.
some different topic. This is
Okay. Okay.
good.
Okay. So I think, ma'am, please let me know. Can I better in English or not?
Yeah, definitely your English is good if you will like do hard work. So within a 6 months, you can get fluency in this language. Literally,
Yes.
your English is too good. Your English is not bad. You are able to put across your thought, but you just lack of like confidence and lack of practice. If you will do
Yeah.
practice, you will get your like confidence level
No,
also.
this times, yeah, this times I feeling something like this because my confidence is decreasing because I
Yeah,
am
because
getting
you are not
nervous. Yeah. Yes.
because you are not maintaining your consistency in this journey. Consistency is too important. If you will
Yes,
maintain your
exactly.
consistency,
Yeah. Actually,
okay,
I
I will
had
add
some
you.
problem. Yeah, I
I
had
will
some
add you my.
problems. Yes.
Mhm.
Actually, ma'am, I had some problem because of which I couldn't make the video properly. Yes.
Okay. Okay, no issue. If you not able to make video, so just continue your practice. Speaking practice, you
Okay.
just continue.
Okay.
And
So,
yeah. So in your initial days, since when have you been learning this language?
actually, can you repeat? I couldn't understand very
Uh,
well.
I asked that Since when have you been learning this language?
I think speaking as I mentioned you recently, because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that time I wanted to learn English, but some reason, because of some reason, I couldn't learn English. After getting married, I had a tool as a mobile phone, and then I started using. After getting married, I started learning English.
So, if I talk about how many years, so what you say? If I
I
ask
think
you that how many years?
I have been learning English for I think for 3 years. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. And I am also actually I am also in the journey more than 2 years, and now I'm able to speak a little bit, but still I'm struggling. Whenever I got any person who is better than me, that time I feel so
Yes.
demotivated. I got stuck.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it's
It
my
happens,
problem.
and every person have this problem.
Yeah,
Yes. Actually,
who is learner, it happens.
when I started learning English, so that time I asked every person, please could you help me, because I wanted to improve my communication skill, but nobody helped me. So then I decided to learn myself. So then I started
You know,
learning. Yeah.
nowadays nobody will help you.
Yeah.
Only we
Yeah.
like
Not,
yeah, you
yeah.
have to do. We have to do hard work by our own self. No one will do for us. No one will do for us. Actually, I was also too much curious about learning this language. So that time I had no one. Even I did not know about any application even. Then I did speaking. I went coaching center. I did once English speaking course, and I see that I saw that I did not get any benefit. Then I went another institute. I again did one like 6 month English speaking course, and again I did
Okay.
not get any benefit. Then I realized the last time it was very famous institute, Oxford. Oxford is a very institute, a famous institute. So I thought, I think I should do once the time again in Oxford. So I did English speaking course 3 times. Instead of doing 3 times English speaking course, I was not able to speak a little bit. Then I realized, no, like with money, you can't learn this language. Then I started to learn. I was ready to invest my lots of money just because of this language. But
Okay.
nobody ready to help me that time. Then I started